Welcome to the literacy classroom. Objectives of the lesson. Objectives. Today you will learn how to read three-letter word which start a sound in them. We will learn the sound of letters to read the whole word. You will also learn to write word peg by tracing over and then by copying and writing it correctly on the given four lines. It's time for sound round. Mummy letter B and baby sounds B. Okay. Mummy letter D and baby sound D. Okay. Mummy letter X and baby sound X. X. Very good. Okay. Mummy letter C and baby sounds K. Mummy letter Z and baby sound Z. Mummy letter J and baby sound J J J J. Mummy letter N and baby sound N. Now easy playing. Mummy letter T and baby sound T, 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 T. Mummy letter S and baby sound S. Mummy letter I and baby sound E E E E. Mummy letter K and baby sound K, K, K. We can read three-letter word get. G, E, T, get. G, E, P, get. P, E, G, peg. R, E, G, rag. Read, trace and write peg. P, E, G, peg. Now we will learn formation of three-letter word. Peg. Look here, which letter is this? P. Next letter is A. And third letter is G. P, E, G. One time more. P, E. Look here. G. P, E, G. Peg. Writing instructions. Sharpen the pencil before writing. Hold your pencil closer to the tip. Homework. Read, trace and write page number 118 and 119. Parents, you can make a small 1-minute video of your child while reading or writing and uploading it in the class. You can also share image of written task by taking its picture and uploading it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.